Affiliate marketers, think bigger. This is not passive income. And all of the most successful people in the world that you and I hear about on a regular basis either don't use affiliate marketing at all or use it as a very, very minor portion of their overall income. And that's what I want to talk to you about here in this video. Hi guys, my name is Ivan. For those of you who don't know me, I started affiliate and online marketing 8 years ago when I was focused purely on affiliate marketing. I heard about how great of a passive income method it was, how much money you could make. And it is true to an extent. I made hundreds of thousands of dollars, almost $1 million in affiliate commissions over the 8 years. I've learned a lot. Feel free to look at my YouTube videos to see my whole journey from the start up until now. But one thing I did learn over the years is that affiliate marketing isn't as a sustainable of a business model as I thought, nor is it as passive income as I thought. And the reason for that is because when you're focused purely on affiliate marketing, promoting somebody else's products, you're taught to keep building these websites or landing pages or review sites, to keep running ads, Facebook, Google, Bing, wherever it is, making maybe some TikTok videos and promoting the product. The thing is here, if you are simply promoting somebody else's product, that product can soon no longer exist, as the case, in my case, with ClickBank. A lot of the products I promoted at the start are no longer on ClickBank, like the 2-week diet, the 3-week diet, Resurge. Any of those products, for those of you that have been with me from the very start, you know what I'm talking about. But you're very dependent on all these products and all the rules of the ad networks that it's not passive income. It is more than a 9-to-5 job. I had to sit there and I had to create and pick out these products and create these websites and landing pages and email integrations and run some ads. And some of the campaigns were successful, sure. But after some time, after a few weeks or months, either the ad account had some problems or the product no longer existed or they changed their rules and I had to once again go in there and find new products. And this was a recurring case. I was constantly on my computer working and looking for new products. It's not a passive income approach. You have to work more than 9 to 5 if you're focused purely on affiliate marketing. As I was saying in my earlier videos, my recommendation is for you guys to have a business. A lot of people do. They have a blog, maybe a YouTube channel, and from there on they do affiliate marketing. It's much more sustainable because you don't have to constantly look for new products. You simply plug and play whatever makes sense for you at the time as it pertains to your business, right? So stop milking somebody else's cow and milk your own. Make all the money for yourself. Stop trying to get these tiny little commissions as much as you can. Look at the top people in our niche in online marketing. Russell Brunson, who created ClickFunnels and wrote a bunch of books, is making hundreds of millions of dollars a year. Look at Neil Patel with his marketing agency and Ubersuggest. He's making hundreds of millions of dollars a year. Look at all these other people that started with ClickBank and then shifted away to having their own products. John Crestani with his TV mentorship program. Robbie Blanchard with his Commission Hero, right? All of them, if they're not making hundreds of millions of dollars a year, they're making tens of millions, right? So why are we here, affiliate marketers, focused on making these small commissions when we can have the whole pie? Expand your mind. That's the mind shift change that I'm trying to portray here, that I'm trying to relay to you here in this video, guys. Think bigger. You guys can do it. All it takes is a mind shift. Mind shift. I keep trying to say mind shift change. It's a mind shift change. Trying to do more because you can. You totally can. So instead of focusing on what product can I promote, what's the best ClickBank product that I can promote, instead focus on what's a problem that exists in the world and how can I solve it. So actually right now I am working on developing an app which has nothing to do with online marketing, but it is an app that I think will benefit millions of people. And if you want, I can tell you more about it in a different video. Let me know in the comments what questions you have or if you're curious what the app is, but that's what I'm working on. So instead of trying to create these affiliate campaigns for somebody else, I'm going to be running campaigns for my own product. I'm going to get the whole cow, not just part of it, right? And not somebody else's cow. I'm going to get the whole thing. And so that's what I want to shift your guys' mind to. You affiliate marketers that were like me. I considered myself an affiliate marketer. When somebody asked me what I do, I proudly said, I'm an affiliate marketer. And you know what? That is a step up over working a regular 9-to-5 job because it takes courage. to do affiliate marketing, to sit at home and to find your products and to take the risk to run ads and create pages for those products. It's a risk, and I salute you for that. But now let's go to the next step. Let's move up a little bit. And instead of promoting somebody else's products, let's promote our own. Today, guys, instead of looking for the next best ClickBank product to promote, nothing against ClickBank. Love you guys, promoted tons of products. You guys have helped me enormously. But instead of that, think, what is a big problem that I'm experiencing in my everyday life that I wish I could solve with an app or a service or a product or a software as a service product, whatever it is. Think about that, okay? Open your mind a little bit. Because that's how you can help the most amount of people. That's how you can make the most amount of money. And this is the most passive income approach there is. Because if you're strictly doing affiliate marketing, that's not passive income. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys here in this video. I want to open your mind a little bit to doing something more. Don't just do affiliate marketing essence, just promoting other people's stuff. Promote your own. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if there's any other content you guys want me to make video or videos on. Happy to answer any questions. My app is currently in development, so I am excited to get that underway, but I arrived at this conclusion a few months ago actually. So I decided to just put it into action. And so here I am. So yeah, I invite you guys to check out my YouTube channel, check out my other videos. Like I said, my journey from day one to now. I also have a 7-day online marketing starter plan you guys can check out completely for free on my website at ivanmana.com. So check that out, and I will see you guys in the next video.